Okay, on the directions I told you to go to this screen, and you will go down and graph each of these by turning them on. Down here at the bottom, this one's already on, that's what you can see. Here is your parent function right here in purple. Black is with an S in front, and that's moved, and this one is moved up. Turn these off by clicking on these. Okay? But, and then you'll start up at the top with the linear, and you will graph them and move these around. You should end up, turn this on, and by moving this around you can tell what it does. And by moving this one around you can tell what it does. Describe what you've got for each of your functions, for each of your graphs. The parent function, what it is, what happens here. You can change color if you want, just by holding it down and then selecting a different color so you can see it. But that's what you're going to do on this. You'll take a screenshot of that, turn it off, and move to the next function. You should have a linear, quadratic, absolute value, cubic, exponential, and then the logarithmic from the beginning. So if you want to start with the logs, that's fine. But you should be able to tell me what the parent function is, because it actually gives it to you at the start, and what all the movements are. So that is what's going on, and I hope that helps.